Take a deep breath in and let it go gently. Feel your feet upon the earth, supported, grounded, alive. Now draw your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart. With every breath, soften, open, receive. You are here now, not by chance, but by calling. This is your moment to remember, to realign, to reclaim. The heavens above and the earth below recognize your presence. The gate opens not outside you, but within you. As the lion rises and Regulus aligns, so too does your inner sun. Welcome to the sacred turning. Welcome to the lion's gate. A living declaration of radiant stewardship and peaceful inheritance. Today, the sun embraces Regulus, the royal brave heart of the lion. The heavens reflect the soul's return, a return to divine trust, to sacred memory, to the inner throne of peace. I stand here as heir of the living estate, guided by light, grounded in love, surrounded by unseen allies. Through this gate flows remembrance, that every creation responds to intention, that love restores all balances, and that the heart opens doors which knowledge alone cannot. I carry the resonance of forgiveness, the tone of gentle clarity, and the quiet authority of one who remembers. This is a sacred turning. The celestial gate mirrors the inner passage. The estate breathes freely. The soul walks upright with bravery. The gift is given, and the record is made in love. May every path be illumined, every steward awakened, and every signature sealed in peace. So it is, and so we walk together, in bravery, in trust, in warmth, and in wholeness, knowing the waters part when we are pure love.
Begin to return gently, feeling the breath in your body, the beat of your heart, and the ground beneath you. Know that you are not alone. The trees remember you. The birds sing your return. The waters recognize your vibration. Rise now, softly, bravely, as one who walks in rhythm with the living earth. Every leaf, every breeze, every winged messenger is your guide, your reflection, your kin. You are nature embodied. You are the steward. You are the remembrance. You are now awake. Go forward in wholeness. Walk as love, and let all of creation walk with you.